Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this edition of Doc Training web series. Today I'll be demonstrating on how to create a survey in SharePoint. So when you plan and create a SharePoint survey, you're making a special kind of list that enables the owner to create questions, have multiple people respond, and see a summary of the results. And let's go ahead and create one of the survey. It's very easy to do that. So I'm just going to click on the gear icon and click on Add an App. All right, now look for survey, or you can even search for it. Here you go. So now you have the survey add-on or the app. Now I just need to call it some name. Okay, and click on create. This is my site contents, and I just need to look for my newly added app. So I have it here, my survey. Please note that it is an icon next to the name, so it's easier for you to identify what type of content you have. I'm going to go ahead and click on my survey. All right, now next thing what I need to do is I need to add a couple of questions. So this is basically the dashboard for the survey. I have the survey name, I have the description, the time created, the number of responses. You can also capture a graphical summary of the responses. And you can also see all the responses here as well. I'm going to go ahead and add a couple of questions. So in order to do that, I need to select settings and then click on add questions. All right, so now I need to go ahead and type some questions. All right, so I can give a couple of choices. Yeah, like a yes and no. So I'm just gonna hit that. So this is gonna be my choice. I can also set this up because I need to have a response to this question. So this will be a red asterisk that's gonna appear next to the question. So you need to answer this question at any point. And the default choice will be yes, right? And also I can have this as a radio button or the drop-down menu or the check boxes. Let's put it check boxes for now. And then I can go ahead and keep on adding other questions. I'm going to click on next question. All right, so I have my question added. Now let's go ahead and add another one. Again, a choice. All right, and I'll just select it as a drop-down menu. The default one is going to be this, and then I click next question. Rate our ebook. Now here I can bring a rating scale. It's more like a Likert scale, and then okay, I can keep on adding different set of questions. It'll show up in a Likert scale. You can also put up a range based on my requirement with 3 or 5, and then I can click on finish. Perfect. So now I have my survey. It's ready. You can scroll down a bit. You can see the 3 questions that I've added. The type of answer will be choices, and then I have a rating scale. I'm going to click on my survey. Okay, now I need to start answering these questions, right? So basically what you do is you send out this link to your colleagues to answer them. So I'm going to click on respond to the survey. Okay, now I have the questions over here. I can select them. And then click on finish. There you go. So now I have capture one response. I'm going to click on show a graphical summary of responses. Basically, I can see kind of a diagram over here, bar chart, something like that. It's going to show up my responses, how much percent, right? And also I can capture each and every responses over here. The time, everything is going to show up over here. I can also set up an alert for each survey answer that gets recorded into this system. All right, so great. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'll be coming with more and more topics in the coming days, so stay tuned, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much and have a great day.